In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into QuickBooks Online and create a credit memo, apply it to an invoice, and verify that everything is correctly updated. We'll walk through this process step by step to ensure that you can manage your finances smoothly without any hiccups. So let's dive right in. First things first, we need to log in to QuickBooks Online. I recommend you start by opening your browser. For the best experience, Chrome is the preferred choice due to its compatibility and speed. Once your browser is open, head over to the QuickBooks website by typing in quickbooks.intuit.com. When you're on the site, look for the sign-in option to enter your credentials. It's important to ensure that your login information is secure and up to date for seamless access. Once you're logged in, our next task is to create a credit memo. Look towards the top left corner of your dashboard. You'll see a button labeled Plus New. Go ahead and click on that. From the drop-down menu that appears, focus on the Customer section and select Credit Memo. This is where you can start crafting the credit memo to adjust your customer's account balance. You'll need to select the customer to whom you'll be applying this credit. Ensure you pick the correct customer who is linked to the specific invoice you intend to adjust. Now it's time to fill in the details. Start by setting the date. Then specify the product or service for which you're issuing a credit, along with the corresponding quantity and the amount. Accuracy at this step is crucial to prevent any errors in your financial records. Once all the details are in place, you can save your credit memo. Choose Save and Close if you're done, or Save and Send if you'd like to email this document to the customer directly. Our next objective is to apply this credit memo to an existing invoice. Click the Plus New button again, scanning it just as you did before. This time, under the same customer section, select Receive Payment. Be sure to choose the same customer you used for the credit memo. In the Outstanding Transactions section, locate the invoice you want to apply the credit to. Below, you'll see a section labeled Credits. Check the box next to the credit memo you've just created to apply it. Before wrapping up, double check that the payment amount reflects the credit accurately. Happy? Great! Click on Save and Close. Finally, let's verify that the credit application was successful. Navigate to the Sales section and within that, to Invoices. Find the invoice in question and open it. This final check is vital. Ensure that the credit was applied correctly and that the invoice balance has been updated accordingly. Monitoring these final details secures your financial processes and accuracy in records. And there you have it, a completed process from logging into QuickBooks, creating and applying a credit memo, to verifying everything is tip-top. Thanks for spending this time with me, and I hope you find this walkthrough useful for keeping your financial records correct and up to date.